A winning value. Who could say no to a simply amazing car like this respectable 2010 Versa? Safety equipment includes anti-lock brake system, passenger airbag, curtain airbags. It is nicely equipped, air conditioning, 122 horsepower, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing.